Traveling in economy for long hours can quickly turn into a nightmare if the wrong mistakes are made. Cramped seats, dehydration, poor sleep, and body pain can ruin an entire trip before arrival. That is why travelers everywhere are searching for ways to stay comfortable on ultra-long flights. In this video, 12 must-know tips to survive a long flight in economy, you'll regret ignoring number 3, will reveal smart tricks frequent flyers use to survive exhausting journeys. Some of these tips may seem simple, but they can completely change the flying experience. Before the countdown begins, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel updates and flying tips. Number 12. Choose the right seat carefully. A long flight becomes much harder with the wrong seat choice. Window seats help with sleeping and avoiding interruptions, while aisle seats allow easier movement during long journeys. Seats near bathrooms usually become noisy and crowded throughout the flight. Extra legroom rows may cost more, but they often make a massive difference on flights lasting over 8 hours. Many experienced travelers also avoid seats near the galley because cabin crew activity can continue through the night. Checking the aircraft seat map before booking can prevent hours of discomfort. One smart seat decision can completely change how the body feels after landing. Number 11. Never wear tight clothing. Tight jeans, stiff jackets, and uncomfortable shoes can make long flights miserable. Sitting in one position for hours already places pressure on the body, and restrictive clothing only increases discomfort. Soft layers, breathable fabrics, and loose shoes help improve circulation and reduce swelling during flights. Cabin temperatures also change frequently, so layered clothing works better than heavy outfits. Compression socks are another popular choice among frequent flyers because they help reduce leg fatigue and improve blood flow. Comfortable clothing may not seem important before boarding, but after 10 hours in economy, the difference becomes impossible to ignore. Number 10. Drink water constantly. Cabin air inside airplanes is extremely dry, and dehydration happens faster than many passengers realize. Long flights often lead to headaches, dry skin, dizziness, and exhaustion simply because not enough water is consumed. Drinking water regularly throughout the flight helps the body stay energized and reduces jet lag symptoms after arrival. Coffee, soda, and alcohol can make dehydration even worse during travel. Many experienced travelers bring a reusable water bottle and refill it after airport security before boarding begins. Staying hydrated may sound basic, but it is one of the most powerful ways to survive a long economy flight comfortably. Number 9. Move around every few hours. Remaining seated for an entire long-haul flight can leave the body sore and stiff for days. Walking around the cabin every few hours improves circulation, reduces swelling, and helps prevent leg cramps. Simple stretches near the galley or while waiting for the restroom can make a major difference during flights lasting over 10 hours. Many travelers ignore movement because they do not want to disturb other passengers, but staying inactive too long creates far more discomfort later. Frequent movement also helps passengers feel more awake and refreshed before landing instead of completely exhausted after the journey ends. Number 8. Bring your own entertainment. Seatback screens sometimes fail, movie selections can disappoint, and long flights feel endless without entertainment. Downloading movies, podcasts, music, or offline games before departure helps pass the time much faster. Noise-canceling headphones are especially useful because they block engine noise and create a calmer environment during the flight. A power bank approved for air travel also becomes important when devices run low on battery halfway through the trip. Depending only on airline entertainment systems can be risky during ultra-long journeys. Having personal entertainment ready keeps boredom away and makes economy flights feel far shorter than expected. Number 7. Avoid heavy airport food before boarding. Large, greasy meals before takeoff can make long flights uncomfortable very quickly. Sitting for hours after eating heavy food often causes bloating, stomach pain, and nausea during turbulence. Light meals with protein, fruit, and healthy snacks usually help travelers feel much better throughout the flight. Salty airport food can also increase dehydration and swelling during long journeys. Many experienced flyers pack small snacks like nuts, protein bars, or crackers to avoid depending completely on expensive airport food. Eating smart before boarding helps the body stay comfortable, energized, and prepared for many hours inside a cramped economy seat. Number 6. Bring a neck pillow that actually works. Trying to sleep in economy without proper neck support usually leads to pain and exhaustion after landing. Many cheap travel pillows look comfortable but fail during long flights because they do not support the head correctly. A good memory foam neck pillow helps prevent stiff muscles and makes sleeping easier during overnight journeys. Some experienced travelers even prefer inflatable pillows because they take up less bag space. Sleeping upright for hours places serious strain on the neck, especially in cramped economy seats. Ignoring neck support may not seem important before takeoff, but after several hours in the air, the discomfort becomes impossible to escape. Number 5. Use the blanket and air vent properly. Many passengers either freeze during long flights or become too hot because they ignore the overhead air vent and cabin blanket. Adjusting airflow correctly helps maintain comfort and prevents stuffy cabin air from becoming unbearable. Cooler temperatures also help many travelers sleep more easily during overnight flights. Using the blanket strategically instead of constantly removing it helps the body stay relaxed throughout the journey. Cabin temperatures often change multiple times during long-haul flights, especially after meal service and during nighttime hours. Managing personal comfort with simple adjustments can make economy travel feel far less stressful and exhausting. Number 4. Protect your sleep at all costs. Lack of sleep can completely destroy the long flight experience and make jet lag much worse after arrival. Eye masks, earplugs, and noise-canceling headphones help block distractions that constantly interrupt rest in economy cabins. Bright screens, crying babies, and loud conversations often continue for hours during international flights. Sleeping whenever possible helps the body recover and reduces travel fatigue significantly. Many experienced travelers avoid using phones continuously because bright light makes falling asleep more difficult. Even a few hours of quality sleep during a long flight can make the difference between arriving refreshed or feeling completely drained for the next entire day. Number 3. Never ignore swollen legs and feet. This is one of the biggest mistakes economy passengers make on long flights. Sitting still too long can cause painful swelling in the legs and feet because blood circulation slows down during extended travel. In serious situations, long periods of immobility may even increase the risk of dangerous blood clots. Stretching legs regularly, wearing compression socks, and moving around the cabin are extremely important during long-haul flights. Many travelers only realize the danger after struggling to walk comfortably once the plane lands. Ignoring circulation problems during a flight is something many passengers later regret immediately after arrival. Number 2. Pack a small survival kit in carry-on. A small personal comfort kit can completely change the long flight experience. Essential items like lip balm, tissues, wet wipes, medicine, chargers, snacks, and a toothbrush become incredibly valuable after many hours in the air. Searching through overhead luggage repeatedly during the flight quickly becomes frustrating, especially in crowded cabins. Keeping important items within easy reach saves time and reduces stress throughout the journey. Dry cabin air, delayed meal service, and unexpected turbulence can make small comfort items feel absolutely essential. Experienced travelers rarely board long flights without a carefully prepared carry-on survival kit ready before takeoff. Number 1. Prepare for the flight before leaving home. The best way to survive a long economy flight actually begins before arriving at the airport. Poor sleep the night before travel, forgetting chargers, rushing to the gate, or arriving stressed can make the journey feel far worse. Charging devices fully, downloading entertainment early, sleeping properly, and organizing travel documents ahead of time creates a much smoother experience. Many travelers focus only on surviving the flight itself while ignoring preparation beforehand. A calm and organized traveler usually handles long-haul economy flights much better than someone already exhausted before boarding even begins. Proper preparation often determines whether the journey feels manageable or miserable. Long flights in economy can test anyone's patience, comfort, and energy, but the right habits make a massive difference from takeoff to landing. Most passengers continue making the same mistakes simply because nobody warned them early enough. These survival tips can help travelers stay more comfortable, avoid exhaustion, and arrive feeling far better after hours in the air. Missing even one of these tips could turn the next long-haul trip into a painful experience. Don't forget to like the video, comment with the worst economy flight experience ever faced, and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips, airline updates, and airport secrets.